OnePlus is hard at work on its next-generation flagship phone, the so-called OnePlus 6, with the latest rumors suggesting it will ship with a ditched iPhone X feature. OnePlus 6 will launch in the coming months, the Chinese company has confirmed. Not a lot is known about the next-generation flagship smartphone, besides the fact that it will be powered by Qualcomm's top-of-the-line SnapDragon 845 chipset. However, new rumors suggest the so-called OnePlus 6 will ship with a feature that Apple rejected for its iPhone X. According to technology blog Fandroid, the all-new OnePlus handset will ship with a fingerprint sensor embedded beneath its display. Apple has a number of patents around this technology, which the Cupertino company was purportedly looking to implement in the iPhone X. However, rumors of low yields and incompatibility with its pressure-sensitive 3D Touch display offer an insight into why the solution was purportedly dropped from the smartphone. OnePlus moved the fingerprint scanner to the back of its phone with the launch of the OnePlus 5T late last year. The biometric sensor was relocated to make room for an edge-to-edge, all-display design. Rear-mounted fingerprint scanners are not as convenient as their front-facing counterparts, forcing users to either pick up the device or enter a PIN manually to unlock the phone when it's placed on a flat surface. In acknowledgement of these occasional annoyances, OnePlus fitted its OnePlus 5T with facial recognition. Embedding the fingerprint scanner beneath the glass display would be an elegant solution for future smartphones.